So hi guys, this is episode 1, no, not episode 2, season 1. We're about to finish off where we left off, so yeah, that'd be great. So yeah, we're just loading terrain and that stuff. I don't mind showing my hands now, it's just I can't show my face. Probably can see like this here and my hands on the screen. You can't see my face. It is currently so hot in the UK. So yeah, looks like we've loaded in. Let's get started with the video, shall we? So yeah, I have added a couple of mods in. I've added Nature Compass, Fast Furnace, and as you can see down there, I've added voice chat. I've also added a thing called Corpse. When I die, it's like from the Jerome AF when he was doing Crazy Craft, when they did the hero stuff. If you ever want me to see me, let's just get my mouse connected properly. There we go. My steak is done. So let's just mind that. Where we left off last time was that it was night time, and we didn't want to deal with the monsters, did we, guys? Watch. Boom, night time. That's great. Put torches more down. Yeah. So we're just gonna live here until it's daytime. See, if you see, we have voice chat. I can unmute myself, or I can do this. I can settings, make a group. I've done all this, and my friend and I can talk through the game, so we both can record at the same time. So that's mods on here. So yeah. Up there. Can't night time go past faster. Where is the moon of this? Is it right above me? It's going to be. So let's go back in. I got auto jump on. Going back in my little hole. Should we smell some iron? Should we smell the rest of this iron? Let me hear. Yeah, so last episode, guys, we managed to get a couple of iron blocks, as you can see. But we also could get our first dragon egg, the lunar dragon egg, surrounded by quartz and iron blocks for a nest with some emeralds inside. I did not grab the emeralds because I do not need them. So yeah. Make sure my mouse is responding properly. Now I can actually turn properly now. So yeah. By the way, shout out to Abodic_Ninja85YT. Thank you for commenting on my last video. If you're ever in the mood, me and you could do a collab. Me and you just play something like this for a while, or something. Me and you could start a series or something, but Abodic Abodic underscore ninja. Oh shit. Hit my mic. Hit my camera. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, big fat head, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to fix what I bumped into. Right, there we go. I'll be able to see a little bit top of my thing there. You guys can like barely see it. Oh my god. But yeah, shout out to him. Bumped into my mic again. I hate this. What do you think it is now? What that goes? It's past me now. It should be like somewhere over there. Oh, yep, sun's rising, guys. The sun is rising. Time for us to pick up my torches so I can yeah, so it's working. So where were we? So yeah, last video, near the end of last video, guys, I got chased by a rainbow crab. I might be lagging because of the how many mods I put on, or it might be just being my PC and the fan. You can probably hear it in the background. I am so sorry. I'm trying to get a new fan, but it's a little bit expensive, as we all know how fans are. Look at that. If we kept going in the last video straight for where we were, we found a village. And this village looks familiar. Why does it look so familiar? Did I run from this village? Well, no, I wouldn't run from a village with freshly broken blocks. What have I been in this village before, guys? We won't know. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look, it's their old houses. You got anything I can steal, sir? No? No? Okay. Look, that's a drake. What's up, Mr. Drake? We might be lucky enough to get another drake egg if there's a drake nest nearby. That's cool. Whoa, what are you? Librarian? There's a nitwit. Of course, there's always got to be a nitwit in here. Hello, fellow nitwit. So let's go find like a chest, something to steal from, get some maybe some. Oh, cave. Just gonna light up most of it as I can. It's got no coal. And that's what I need. Jerome AF is live, by the way, guys. Looks like my PC decided to crash. Oh, there we go. It just fixed itself. There, because my brightness is all the way up. Guys, give me a sec. Let me fix my brightest. We have a minimap? We don't have a minimap. That should be better, guys. Hopefully it is. Let me just get a little bit closer. So, guys, let me just. If you heard that ding, that's my headphone. Just turned up my headphone. If you guys think I should try to do a collab with someone, let me know and I'll try reach out to them. But if not, I'll try ask if my friend would join me. I already asked. He said yes, but he didn't come on yesterday. He went to bed. We couldn't do it. Where do you think that drake nest is, guys? Probably in the forest. Should we live here, guys? Keith, again. Move. Thank you, sir. Sorry about the crops, Mr. Villager. It's the crab! It's the crab! It's the weird looking crab. Guys, do you think the drake will attack the weird looking crab? I realize the weird looking crab thing can come up here. Where did it go? It's right there, run! The weird looking crab's after me, guys. Where is the bed in all this? They're still following me. Why is the drake following me, bro? I don't have food for you, bro. Watch, guys. The drake will just... Oh, it's done following me now. The drake will just following me, guys. Weird. You think that spider's still following me, bro? Well, I can't see it. But if it is, I'm leaving, guys. There is no beds there or holding no other bed. Guess I've got to go hunting for my own bed. Alright, let's see that dragon in the sky then. So cool. Let's grab a couple of bits of sugarcane. If you guys think it's way too loud, let me know, then I will turn down my stereo system next episode. So yeah, I'm gonna try keep constantly doing daily videos, but now and then I will slip up because, well, yeah, there's another village, guys. Because sometimes a lot of people deserve breaks, and I'm hoping there's a bed. There is not a bed. Is there sheep nearby? That would be great if there were. I can go rob that dragon's... Well, rob that dragon's egg. I can't if there's no bed, because I might die. What about dying? I need food. Can I stop being pushed around, please? So rude. Alright, so now since we're healing, those go nicely. Is there any animals nearby, sir? Like sheep or nothing? How the fuck do you guys live? Sorry for the swearing again, YouTube. Where the... If that dragon can just go bye-bye, it's pretty sure in the wool there. What dragon is this, guys? It's a rainbow dragon looking one. Oh, there's the mama. There's mama. Guys, I took the egg. Guys, I took the egg from mama. The mama left. Zombies? Butcher. So if you guys think I should add Crazy Craft to this, let me know. On our adventures we continue. Let's check what egg we got. We got the rainbow egg. That's great to know. Guys, should I check how to make the nature compass, and that could help us find the Night Fury? See, now we have to use this. See, look, guys, it's not letting me actually find a nature compass. See, look, guys, it's not letting me. Well, let me search it. But it is. I did add it, guys. Let's choose. Right. I added the nature compass, I don't know why it's not on me. 1, 2, 8. How do I make the nature compass? One regular compass and 4 lungs at any wood type and 4 saplings of any type. So, not sure what video it is. So that's how you make a nature compass. Right, cool guys, looks like it's easy to make. I just, oh shit, Scheiße. If you don't mind me, I'm just gonna. I don't have a lot of coal. Well, it's just, oh, I got blinded by me sun, the sunlight. I'm sorry again, guys. I've bumped into the phone twice now. Or 3 times, I can't remember. I do have a book. So, if I could get a pen. So let me know what you want me to write down in the book for you guys. Maybe I put them peaceful. No, it's on normal. So why aren't I seeing so many mobs? Sorry for that yawn, guys. It's been 21 minutes. Wow, already. Yeah, so thanks to Bodic Ninja for messaging on our last video. You have gotten a free shout out. So yeah, guys, just silently waiting. I'm gonna call something. Why did it want to let me search up things? Oh shit. Oh, sorry for my language again, YouTube. Yeah, if you're a kid watching this, sorry about the language, but it's only way I can let people text in the comments. So yeah. The beautiful moon. This is our last piece of coal, and we need redstone. That's what we need. So we could kill a witch, or we could go mining. Oh. Sorry for the bouncing again, guys. I got a phone stand connected to my desk. And if you guys think I should do ASMR, let me know. Yeah, so that vibrating noise and that loud noise is my PC. I need to get new fans for it, guys. God damn, I need to shut that goddamn window. I think a book will work, guys. A book will work. I'm so sorry, guys. My book hit you instead. It kinda worked. Oh no, it did work. Oh, sorry about my... I think my fan just needs a good clean. I might take this out, take my fans out, give them a good wipe down. Should we check if the sun's rising, guys? We can't see. No, it's not. Well, I don't see no bumps either. What did I drop? There you go, I've just turned it down a bit. It's now at 31. Volume. Right, I'm just messing around. That's the thing. Daytime, come quicker, please. Come quicker, please. Come quicker, please. Look at that, guys. It is now daytime, so now we can go back to what we were doing. We might kill a wit. Oh no, my crafting table. That's what I forgot to grab. Not me crafting table. Let's go back over here to this village again, because I'm pretty sure there's a cave we went to. I think I only have one torch, so it's gonna be. Oh, it's not a cave at all. I need redstone, guys. Yeah, saplings are not hard to get. Just no redstone. Guess your boy's got to go mining, guys. Whoa. A fairy house. Oh, little fairies. Oh no, run. Run. They're not fairies, run. Run into this cave. Sorry guys. It's my brightness, I don't have it all the way up again. I can't see no coal. Maybe we should turn on the brightness again. Options, video thing. Wait, I've just done that for now. Oh yeah, see, okay, it's just pitch black. Maybe I should have brought that loud before I came down. No, my torch. Oh, go, yes. Oh, it's Mako. I guess it's a proper coal vein. And there's redstone down here, guys. We need redstone. We found lapis. Trying to find lapis with that iron axe. I guess we got some 10 lapis. There's some iron that we don't need. Well, basically we don't need. We need more torches. Put a couple on there. Let's put 4 on there. That means we get 16 torches. That's not bad, guys. It opens up more. You all know what redstone looks like, guys, right? I guess with my own coal. So yeah, guys, my mom shouting me. So yeah. So yeah. This is a lot of coal. And that's what we just need. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video.
I understand what? I need to check what was happening at the time.
Oh, I can't. Empathy. I'm like halfway through. Sorry, Mum. Yeah, sorry, guys. I'm my mother. I want to go grab something from my granddad's car, but I'm middle of doing the episode. But the episode's nearly done anyway, guys. We just need to grab some. I'm gonna grab more coal and grab redstone on episode 3. This is episode 2 so far, guys. It's a little bit longer than the other one. But to a massive shout out to. Forgot already, but I've said it so many times in the video. But thanks to him, I feel like to continue doing this. He's the first ever one to comment on my videos since. Well, yeah, I don't know why he won't let me activate comments on. It's kids okay to see this. Don't know why, but yeah. So well, this might be. I might stay a little bit longer actually to try find redstone. Oh wow, this is how far I went down. Oh god damn, I went far down, didn't I, guys? Got another bit behind though. I thought that. Oh yeah, it is. It's the place I wanted to explore first. So yeah. Look, that's this is a bigger bit. Oh yeah. We went past go, guys. That is a bit of a cave. Oh, it is. Hey guys, you think there's redstone down there? Let's go find out. It looks like a weed. Oh, this looks like I got more. Like, more than a stack. Oh damn, I found a lot of coal. Ow, I fell. Oh yeah, I can make a wall. Nice. Oh, wow. Dead end, guys. It's like... Oh, there's another cave underneath me. I've just seen that. Well, we do need this, to be honest. There we go. Mouse just wouldn't turn left. Oh no, I fell into water. How do I get out of here? I cannot. I might just, to be honest, I could just go like this. Okay, look. It's where I just was. Right, good. I can finally finish collecting the rest of my coal. That should be all of it, guys. On this side, but there's more this side, look. So yeah. You guys did hear my mother might have got a new mattress, but mine broke. Well, mine breaking, this brings us snapping. But I did have this mattress for a long time though, guys. Hey, look at dandelion. Also muggle. I was complaining that we didn't have coal, now we've got a lot of it. Nothing says we can't have too much coal. But sooner or later I will be sick of it because so yeah. Oh, looks like we've reached the other dead end, guys. Blah da 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 da. What da 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 da. Let's go this way. Oh, it goes deeper. What was that water? Oh, I'm just gonna make sure we leave enough for. We take 5, we make a bunch of sticks, and we can pull that 57 up there of coal and just get enough, like a rather stack of torches to go with this 3. No, let's just use it above all. Whoa, wait. I finally found. Oh, 2 of the same mob, I guess. Nope. Guys. Still no. Redstone. Look, that's iron. More lapis. More iron. Guys, I can't find a single piece of redstone. There's lava though. Whoa. Oh. Well, I got the achievement monster hunter, but what are you? Can I break you normally? Dragon arm. There's fossils? Yeah, there's fossils, guys. So you're telling me I could... What do I have? What? Dragon arm, 2 legs, and tail. I should come down here with more food. Oh, redstone! Guys, we can finally leave. I'm just gonna grab a lot of this to make sure. Guys, we can leave. Finally. I will grab more of this though. That would be great. What do I need gold for again? I don't think I need gold. But what I do need is to be careful, because I did see a creeper around here. I came from up there, didn't I? Yes, I did. Well, this is why we follow torches, guys, so we can get out. I guess not. Oh no, I fell in from here. It's just time for us to go up. Marco! Right, we go this way. Which way after that, guys? Oh, this way. No, not that way. Is it this way? No, I remember going somewhere else. Yeah, I went down here. What's water doing? So if we just continue, we have what we came down for. But I feel like I came down, didn't I? Yes, I did. I've been... Right, so where do I go from now? Oh yeah, from up here. Where now, Terrence? I came down from somewhere. Oh, wait. Where are my torches? I came down from above. Where the hell? I came down from above. I'm on the wrong bit. The airway. I don't know if it's nighttime. It is, I guess. I'm living in the wall for now. We're just missing saplings now, guys, and we can make the nature compass. We're just gonna live here for a bit. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna use this to check if I've unlocked it. It's not popping up, but I can. I need 3 more saplings. Then I can make it, guys. Let's make a new pickaxe, won't hurt. So yeah, guys, this might be an hour-long video. So yeah, later I might try to recall my friend and check if he wants to do that collab I was on about with you guys. It's because I think it's nighttime outside. Yeah, it's nighttime. It's also raining. Oh, okay, I don't need this much time anyways. Let's just get out of here. There's a zombie. Oh, that's different. Ah! Run! Right to another cave, just run! The sun's coming up, just run, Terrence, run! Oh, damn it, I said my real name. Well, my name is Terrence, guys. But just call me Phoenix, please. The village. Fucking hell. Sorry for the language. But that Enderman scared me, bro. The original village. Failed on the last jump. Great. I'm sure I can quickly get some saplings. What's up, guys? Guess I'm share a house with a bunch of villagers. You are what, butcher? You're a leather worker. What other trades you have? I don't need that. What are you, sir? You're a butcher. And what are you, sir? There's 2 butchers. What makes a butcher? No. Ow. He does 2 hearts per hit. How do you leave that guy outside? Oh, my steak. This is my last little bit of food, guys. Why would you go out there when there's a fucking alien crab out there? It'd be great if the rain stops so I can actually leave the house and not die. With a couple of torches around here. So mobs don't spawn and then mine the tree for saplings. I also needed one anyways, so that's a good thing. We needed both. Let's cut down 3 big trees. Then we can make the nature compass. Look what's happening. Another one. We need one more. One more sapling, guys. One more sapling, guys. We just need... Is that it? We have it, guys. We have it, guys. Dungeon? Let's say since we're not in a savannah, we're in a plains. Let's look for a plains. Gold tiger. I need a structure compass. That's what I need, not nature's. But I got both. I could get both if I really wanted to. I will, after this video, I will add the structure compass to this. So that would be great. I'm just gonna leave that there and just run over here and try and kill this spider looking thing. It's pissing me off. I killed it. Nice, guys. That was nice, actually. I actually killed it. Got structure. That's a good thing. You don't mind me, so I'm just gonna borrow this house. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. Just for episode 2, season 1 of Dragonfire. We now have a bunch of mods added. I might add a structure compass mod so we can find more eggs faster. So if you would like to see that, subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment what would you guys like to do next episode. Phoenix out.